Hi, I'm Sarah from Briggs Riley, the leading global luggage brand known for performance and style. We know everyone has their own packing personality, and we also know the way you pack should be easy and orderly. One way to make this happen is the rolling method. It's easy and exactly what it sounds like. Tightly roll each clothing item into a log shape and place it in your suitcase, like this. Everything stays secure by placing each piece right up against the other. Rolling works especially well for items like sweaters, pants, and t-shirts. An added benefit, your clothes will be wrinkle-free upon arrival. No fashion faux pas here. That said, we do not recommend this method for formal wear or business attire. Instead, we suggest a wardrobe bag for dressier items. The rolling method is perfect for travelers looking for a simple, straightforward packing method. So get ready to roll.